Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given the equation y is equal to negative x minus 3 squared plus a. We're told that this is the graph of a parabola, and we're asked which of the following is true about the parabola. So what you have to do is you have to recognize that this is of the form y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k, right? And this is the standard form of a parabola where a is going to determine whether it opens up or down, right? If a is greater than 0, then it's going to open up. If a is less than 0, it's going to open down, right? You could think of this as being y is equal to 1x squared or y is equal to negative 1x squared, if those are familiar graphs for you. And then also in this equation, hk is your vertex. So we are asked, are we looking at the minimum or the maximum? And at what point does it occur? So we have a value of a here, just the negative sign, which actually just means negative 1. You just don't write the 1 because it's not actually needed. So a is equal to negative 1. Therefore, it's less than 0, and the parabola opens downwards. So we have some parabola that looks like this. Therefore, its vertex is its maximum, right? This is the maximum value that the function reaches, and then it goes off to negative infinity on both ends. If it was greater than 0, then it would be the minimum, and then on both ends it would be going off to positive infinity. So we're looking for its maximum. And this is occurring at the point hk. So we have x minus h and x minus 3. Therefore, h is 3. And then we have plus a and plus k. Therefore, k is equal to a. So it's not at negative 3a because it's being, the h value, the x coordinate of this vertex is being subtracted within this squared term. So that's sort of where you would get tripped up and say, okay, this is negative 3a. No, it's 3a because you have to subtract the x term. So the maximum of this parabola occurs at 3a. That means that D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.